All right, guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. So today we're going to be exploring different options that you get to use while working with your Kumu. So we are going to be touching a few things that, helps you make your image stand out, especially your portraits while you are working in Kumu. Looking at the image, you're going to notice some sort of discrepancies, the blemishes on her skin and face, all of that. Those are the things we are going to be taking care of in this video. So when you bring in your picture into Kumu, this is the first place it should bring you. Then once you are here, go to your three dots over here, click on it. It's going to switch the window to develop. Once the window is in develop, you are going to, start working on your image, taking care of few things to be able to come up with something good at the end of the day. So the first thing we need to take care of in this one is our blemishes. We need to do our blemish removals, remove the unwanted wrinkles and all of that. So to take care of that, we just come over here, increase the acne for face and body. Then also turn on your mole face to remove whatever it can. Then do the same thing with the body blemishes as well. And we are already making huge progress. This is the before. This is the after, this is the before, this is the after. So the next thing now is to go down to proper skin retouching. So we'll come all the way down to frequency separation down here, turn it on. We'll turn it on. Then we reduce our high frequency a little so that the image comes out very smooth. Increase our skin refinement a little. Push up our neutral gray contour. I think it's too much. So for this particular frequency separation here is for the body. So if we increase it, it takes care of the body. Look at what we've done so far. The before, the after. So in case you do your own and you notice that the scale phones are not passing, very, simple thing to do. Just go down to the select skin tone area, increase your skin tone balance multiple places, and this one. And you get a uniform skin tone. Now you can decide to even make it warmer or make her a very pure white woman. So we increase the temperature, reduce the intensity. This is the before, this is the after. The next thing is the hair. Although her hair is cool, but let me show you how to use it. So if you come all the way down to hair over here, you'll notice the stray hair, the portrait, the background. You'll notice top, height, soft tone, and a whole lot of other options. So what this means is that when you are working on your picture and you notice that the image has straight hairs, you just have to turn this on. You just have to, turn on your straight hair up, and it's going to remove every form of stray hair in the image. The last thing I'm going to do is to, try changing her body shape to a more professional model body shape. So we just click on model and select this particular one over here. So once it's done, look at that. You can reduce or increase the intensity. So this is the result we have. This is the image when we got started. This is the before. But before we can notice that her face have lost, some details. To restore it, just go all the way up. So we are looking for face disfocus repair. Yeah, very close to it. Look at it here. Face disfocus repair. So we'll just increase it so that even if the image lost details on the face, AI powered face, face disfocus repair will take care of. Look at it. Now we have textures and the job is done. To take it out of Kumu when you are done, just go to export, click on export, and you get your image. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you do subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a new video. In case you are interested in getting this software and integrate it into your own workflow, very simple. Go to the description of this video. You will see the link right there. Click on it, download it, and also make sure that you register with our promo code where you want to get your credit, so that you get 20% bonus on your credit purchase. One more time, thank you so much. See you on the next one.